SSI is Supplemental Security Income. It's a poverty-based program that's provided by the federal government for individuals with limited income or assets that become disabled. In order to qualify for SSI benefits, you have to have limited amounts of income or assets and still meet the criteria for disability, which would be to establish that you'd be unable to work for a period of at least 12 months. SSI and Social Security disability are different, but they do have the same standard in terms of what it takes to establish disability. The programs are different, but the standard for disability is the same. In rare instances, you can receive Social Security disability and SSI at the same time. It typically depends on the amount of your monthly Social Security disability benefit. In some instances, if your Social Security disability benefit is low enough and you meet the other standards for SSI benefits, you may receive some portion of both benefits. I've been handling SSI cases in addition to Social Security disability cases exclusively in my practice for over 25 years now. Clients typically look for an experienced attorney to help them with their Social Security disability or SSI case. Having done this exclusively for the last 25 years, I feel like I can provide them the type of guidance and experience they need to be successful in their case. Most people, when they talk about my firm or provide me with a review, seem to really appreciate the level of personalized service that I provide, the fact that I return all my own calls, I take my own calls, and there's really a lot of hands-on contact throughout the time that I'm working on their case. Client communication is of utmost importance in a Social Security disability case. I take my own calls, I return my own calls. That type of thing is important because people are often updating you regarding their medical treatment or other issues that have occurred that is relevant to their case and ultimately relevant to being successful in their claim. I'm a small firm, I'm a sole practitioner. I believe the advantage of that is that, one, the client gets personalized service. I only handle a handful of cases at a time, so they're not talking to an attorney that may have hundreds or even thousands of cases going on at one time. During the initial consultation for SSI, the first thing we want to do is make sure that you meet the criteria or standards in terms of income and assets to be able to pursue an SSI claim.